Why are so many people switching from Windows to Linux? We'll dive into why more and more people are moving away from Windows and embracing Linux. You'll discover how Linux has become the go-to choice for those seeking freedom, privacy, and cost efficiency, steering clear of Microsoft's limitations. 1. Privacy. Windows knows everything about you. If you take a closer look, you'll see that Windows has essentially turned into a data-gathering machine. The moment you install the system, it starts collecting your information, your location, the data you access, and even the files on your device. A few examples. During installation, you're asked to agree to data collection terms. If you decline, you might notice the system doesn't work as smoothly as it should. Features like Cortana and OneDrive are constantly running in the background, tracking your activity. Linux, on the other hand, respects your privacy. It doesn't collect any data without your explicit consent. 2. Cost. Windows isn't free. Like you think, many people assume Windows is free, but that's far from the truth. To unlock all features, you need to buy a legitimate license. Using a pirated version, you could face serious security risks. Services like Microsoft 365 require monthly or annual subscriptions. Meanwhile, Linux is completely free, no hidden fees, and you can install it on as many devices as you like without any worries. Bloatware, unnecessary software that slows you down. Windows comes preloaded with tons of programs you probably won't use. Xbox Game, Bar Cortana, Microsoft Teams. OneDrive. These programs don't just take up space, they also drain system resources, causing slower performance. And trying to uninstall them? Good luck. It's a hassle since they're deeply integrated into the system. Linux takes a different approach. Everything installed on your system is your choice, keeping it lightweight and fast. Ads, a constant annoyance. If you've used Windows 10 or 11, you've likely noticed the ads baked into the system. Ads in the Start menu, tracking your activity to show personalized ads. In contrast, Linux is free of any advertisements. It's clean, simple, and everything you do is entirely under your control. 5. Linux gives you freedom. Distributions, distros. Linux comes in various flavors to suit different needs. These are called distributions or distros, and each has its own strengths. Ubuntu, easy and beginner-friendly. Debian, ultra-stable and great for long-term use. Arch Linux, for tech enthusiasts who want complete control. Fedora, always packed with the latest technology. With Linux, you get to choose the version that works best for you, unlike Windows, where you're stuck with just one option. 6. Security. Goodbye, viruses. Windows is notorious for security vulnerabilities and is often an easy target for cyber attacks. Linux, thanks to its design, is rarely affected by viruses or hacks. Its structure makes it significantly harder to compromise. 7. Performance. Faster and lighter. If you have an older or less powerful device, chances are Windows runs slowly on it. Linux, however, is lightweight and fast, even on older hardware. It uses far fewer resources, giving your device a new lease on life. 8. The community, unmatched support. The Linux community is massive. If you run into a problem, you'll find forums, videos, and even YouTube channels that guide you step by step. With Windows, you might often feel left on your own. The bottom line, Linux is the future. If you're looking for an operating system that respects your privacy, doesn't cost a fortune, and keeps your device running smoothly, Linux is the answer. Not to mention, it gives you unparalleled freedom to customize it to your needs. Give Linux a try. You'll notice the difference. If you'd like any tweaks or further refinements, just let me know.